Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for Elite NTS 2022 selected candidates because there is an LOI issue, means there are so many candidates that they receive the BGV link and not the LOI. So finally LOI issue solved, and there is a one mail from Wipro team that they are sent to candidates, and there is a second update that is related to Wipro internship survey form. So in this video we discuss about the complete process Wipro survey for internship and onboarding update for 2022 batch selected candidates. So this video is very useful for everyone. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so as you can see on my screen that this is just related to firstly we take the LOI issue. Okay, means what are the LOI issues solved from the Wipro team. As you can see on my screen, they just mentioned that there is a global campus hiring update. Dear candidate, greetings from Wipro. Hope you are doing well. Due to some technical glitches, there are delay in releasing the letter of intent LOI. We are actively working resolve the issue. Your LOI will be released soon. We appreciate your patience. Stay tuned on your registered mail ID for further update. In case you wish to know more about revived compensation, please write to manager.campus@wipro.com. Regards, Wipro campus hiring team. Okay, so one important point, if you not got the LOI from Wipro team till, okay, so just wait for some time, and if they just give some deadline to fill the BGV form, okay, or the BGV link, so just fill that form, means just upload the documents through the background verification check. Okay, so it will very helpful in completing all the profile that is related to BGV, and soon they will share you an LOI. Okay, before moving on to the Wipro internship, there is a very good platform that known as Relevel. Okay, you can get your dream job in 15 days. India's finest company trust Relevel to hire. You can claim your profile by taking this test. Okay, so there are 200 plus leading company that trust Relevel like CRED, Monange, OneImage, Meesho, Urban Pro, Upgrade. And as you can see on my screen, there are so many candidates that they score very good in the particular examination or in the particular parts, and they won MacBook, iPhone, Apple Watch, and they score very good. And Tanishq Singh also grab a package of 40 LPA, okay, in the CRED. Okay, so how the Relevel test will work, you have to register for this test, take the test, interview with employers, accept the offer. India's finest company hire on Relevel. There are over 300 job opportunities from more than 50 companies with CTC up to 15 LPA. Okay, so there are the three type of tests that I already said, that business, front end and back end development. There are the business data analytics test also introduced. Okay, so you can just give, it is all about what is the Wipro internship for the Wipro internship survey form. As you can see on my screen that this type of mail will be come to candidate. Wipro survey internship and onboarding. Dear candidate, greetings from Wipro. We have created a survey to understand your interest in entering with Wipro and also plan your onboarding smoothly. In case you have already filled a similar survey, we request you to please take the time to fill this one as well. The last date to fill the survey is 1st December 12 p.m. You have to just fill before the 1st December 12 p.m. Okay, this is the survey link. When you just go to survey form, there is a candidate full name, registered email ID, superset ID. Okay, so the next point is what is candidate resume number. Okay, so there are so many confusions in resume number that where we find the resume number. Okay, so when you just fill your form, okay, through the Wipro NLTH, so there is a ICIMS portal. You have to just log in using your credentials, like what is your login credentials, and when you just click on login, okay, so this is successfully login, and you have to just click on dashboard. Okay, so where you can just say that a boarding pass. Okay, so where you can find your resume number. Okay, so this is the resume number. Okay, so this is the resume number that is just related to the point. Okay, so this is just related to your resume number, and this is name, email ID and all about. Okay, so you have to find this type of, and you have to fill your resume number. From that you have to just click on boarding pass form, and after that your boarding pass will be aware. There is a background verification, onboarding, embark and boarding pass form. Contact number, college name as per website, college city, college state. Have you been selected in interview with Wipro? Yes. And what is the letter of intent LOI status? LOI accepted, not accepted, declined, not received. Okay, you can just check. What is the preferred joining location? 1. Okay, what is the preferred joining location? 2. What is the preferred joining location? 3. Are you interested for an internship with Wipro? Okay, this is the new form and this is the new internship criteria. Please select the month from when you are available for internship: December, January, February, March. Not applicable if you have not selected. If you have selected not interested for internship, you can choose this option also, or you can choose any of the date or any of the month. 7th semester academic session start date, end date, 8th semester, and 8th semester academic session end date expected. Okay, and you can submit to this form. Okay, so you have to fill this completely form. Okay, this form is very useful because previously Wipro do not introduce about the internship as on all about that, but this time they will introduce the internship, so you have to just fill the form. Okay, one last point, friend, if you are from 22-23 batch, so soon in the upcoming month there are placements coming for the 2023 batch, off campus hiring for the 2022 batch. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, me and my team members are just announced that we provide a free preparation resources strategy for all of the specific companies that they hire in a specific month. Okay, so stay tuned on channel and just subscribe to that channel and share with your friends. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.